If touch no him I play with. Think me I play with him, he better have a next plan. Cause that one ain't gonna work, you know. That one ain't gonna work. Rise up my blood pressure. Why my God? My God.
Hi, Tracy.
Oh, how are you?
Trying to be okay.
Why?
This is unbelievable, Tracy. Can you believe it?
That Pops hired the gardener. Or I don't even know who hired the gardener. You know who hired the gardener?
I don't know. It's okay. We need a gardener, but the whole behavior of everything is just stressing me out, Tracy. Don't you see that? What now? Why are you smiling so much?
No, because
Tracy.
it's not that I don't like you, but me don't want to get fired. God no.
What do you mean you don't like? You like me?
Oh, me never know if you said that. It just came out wrong. Babe.
Find somebody here.
Nobody's gonna hear. It's gonna be okay, Taj.
Yeah, alright. Nothing that can break me.
What about the work? Isn't it too hard?
Anything for you.
Really?
Yeah, I'm after the close to you.
Skinny, it just gone bad already. You have one selfish, crazy woman, and then everything just go wrong.
So, I mean, it not really go wrong. It's just that, you know, me end up in a bad situation, and then, you know, because probably if we didn't meet her before, probably, you know.
But I met you before I came to the house.
Yeah, but I mean, before I had that troublesome girlfriend of mine, you know.
That bullies you around.
Not really, but.
Skinny, you ever think about leaving or like, you know, starting a new relationship with somebody that is better and somebody will not push you around?
Well, I'm thinking about it now. And to be honest, like since me meet her, like it just you know, like a bit different. I feel more like I have something, you know, to try, you know, like, you know, not try, but like you say, like start a new path, you know.
Don't take it the wrong way. Boy, Skinny, I bet you in there with me. Pops love me, you know.
You think so?
Think I know.
Tracy.
But your woman might beat you.
Don't say that, Tracy. What do you mean beat? I mean, we can think about it. Like me, you know, got you stuff, you know, like.
You just want to take care of. I don't think you're a good person.
So you're going to take care of me?
I'm already taking care of you. As me that left the work already, you know. Would have left the work already.
For sure?
Of course. Would I leave the work already?
What about me and you, like Bonnie and Clyde, you know? They could be married or die.
How about me inviting you on a date? Kind of weird because normally it's a man's job to invite a female.
I agree on that.
Alright, so
it's a yes for me.
I'll let you know when. Or better yet, let me know when you're free and the monster won't eat you alive.
I can always tell her something, you know, because sometimes I even like, you know, take a break from her, you know, because my pops, you know, I'm rich, you know, all of that.
We all know that.
Yeah.
So have a great one with the new gardener.
I mean, you know what? Probably the gardener can keep her.
What? The gardener can keep her?
I mean, as in not keep her, but like, probably she can't get the gardener.
That's gonna be a good one, not true?
I come me get the mail.
If only the gardener know a long time.
That's true. But
Or we can pay the gardener for day with her, or look her. No, me I think evil.
no, sir. Yeah. Probably. Because I don't really love her. But I'm going to check on him and see him go on with
Okay, you go ahead.
my new girlfriend.
That has a ring to it. Bad to bad. You know, say Skinny is a fool and that style. I like him, you know. He just know, it's like they went dropping pan his head when he little. I mean the garden can't have her. I'm not see say a gardener miss cookie there. One problem I have. They know me miss cookie and the gardener there. I'm not there with him no more because I want new man here. I have to go make Pops deal with them for me.
There's something cheap in there. Sure, man. So, if you're a boy there.
He went to the kitchen. Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be alright, man.
It's all gonna be okay soon.
No way I look out for me, though.
That's what I'm here for.
No, man. Love that.
Okay, hurry and finish up.
Yo, sir. Yo. Yo. What you do at my window? What you do at my window? Watch it there. What you do at my window, my youth? Cookie. I want to go. What you do at my window? You know, say boy out here peep on you.
What?
The boy out here peep on you, babe. Adapt me. Yo. Let me tell you, man, you're perfect. We are doing my window people movement for my youth. You know, say, me know, say, sitting the right boy.
No, man.
Me know, say, sitting the right boy.
Listen, I've cobweb, father. Wait,
so,
Mr. Skinny, sir, cobweb, me a bit chance. Look, this cobweb there. I don't need that check.
Cookie, you the aim out there, sir?
No, babe.
Boy, I find her suspicious, you know.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Look, you see curtain pull, me couldn't see anything. See? Cobweb me a bit chance, sir.
Okay.
Really, Andrew.
I watch a boy and I'm feel say I'm a pervert, you know. For true.
Really,
yeah, man. Alright, come like, just send me right time. No, but now what you say, man, me deal with the man. Come, me show you something around here, sir. Come here, sir. Yo, this is my house. Me set rules and laws. You hear me say? Where you come here for do?
Work,
cut
sir.
land. No work. And no any work. You come here for cut land and land you come for cut.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes,
and rummage the edges them around the bushes. You understand?
Yes, sir, I do that, you know. And
yeah.
then I see you window them.
I not talk about no window because I don't suspect say you're pervert. I peep you want peep on my woman. That's why I don't want to in my house. Because I suspect say sitting about you not right. And when I know, when I know. You understand?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I don't want you in my house. If Pop say if he come in my house, he drink a glass of water, tell him say you're cool out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understand?
Me always
tell him say water, Suhfitrue.
Yeah.
True. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. I don't want you seeing in my house, my youth. A land you come for cut. You see some yeah, boy, when you know see man nice woman Suhfitrue, you know woman take care of. How much money man spend per woman, eh?
No, sir. Me never married.
For your woman hot, sir?
No, sir.
Eh?
No,
for your woman brown and clean, sir?
No, sir. Me did have one red kin one, but he never brown, sir.
For true.
Yes, sir. But me never, me no know.
Yeah.
Me never do nothing, sir. I win that still. So you're right, still, no, sir.
Yeah.
For them, you tell me know about the place, and I always hear things about people, and I know, so they're not really straight when they come on to, like, with their work, and if you say keep their heads straight and torment people and their woman, because they're not really used to certain things. You know?
The boy, you know, say you have sense.
Me think
yeah,
so
man.
too.
Yeah, man, you have sense, man.
Yeah, man, because I work, you know, so
yeah. You're not there for work.
Yeah.
You're there for plow the land.
Yeah, you garden. Rummage hedges them around the garden.
Suhfitrue.
Yes, sir.
You have good remembrance.
Yes, sir.
Keep it that way.
Yes, sir.
And if Pop say, if you come in our house, what you tell him say?
Me always hydrated, Pops. Me don't want no water.
Alright, for true. That is it.
Yeah,
just
man.
hurry up and clean up all them parts.
Yes,
them
sir.
parts want to fix up.
Yes, sir.
And set up a thing the right way.
Yes, sir.
You see it, for
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And don't let me see you back a moon there, me say?
Yes, sir.
All right,
No,
for
sir.
sure.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
People are real drama, you know. I wonder how this a message with. Can't be them people anywhere, man. Can't bother with the problem, you know.
Oh, good night, Mr. Dice.
Alright, Tracy, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. I'm actually heading out.
You heading home?
Yeah.
I thought you say you were. I thought you were staying.
Oh yes, but because I haven't been home for a while and I have some business to attend to early in the morning, I said that it would make sense I just, head home. So that I say look a bit out of place. Is everything okay with you?
I'm good, man, but there's a lot of things going on in my head, but it's okay.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, have a good weekend and hope to see you very soon.
Okay, sir. Tell Skinny that I left.
Okay, safe journey.
Yes, sir.
Can't take a problem, you know, man.
So, Dice.
They drop why?
Go on if you go in the yard, man.
Come if you go in here,
How long
man.
have you left from up here?
Madam, me, I'm not
Couldn't time I come down here, watch me here.
dirty man.
Turn you upside down here.
Careless why?
Bad, you're bad. Mr. Dice! Mr. Dice, sir! Mr. Dice! Mr. Dice!
Who is that?
A Taj!
Taj.
Yeah.
Come on inside, Taj.
No, man, my foot down car and I'm mud up right now.
Okay, I'll be there.
Yes, sir. Blessed Father.
How you doing, man?
There and I go home after work, you know.
Oh, I can see you do a wonderful job, man.
Yeah, man, I respect you, Father.
True.
Blessed for your job again, you know.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man.
Aye.
Yeah.
Like how you want me to take care of your place as a gardener. I can leave you with my number, you know.
Yeah, man, you can just put it in my phone so I can call you whenever I need you.
Yeah,
but
man.
I think I'm gonna need you to be here for the whole week. But you can still put your number in my phone.
Alright. So that's 86 99 459 touch. Kinda quick on phone, you know.
Yeah, I can see that. You're one of them technological man.
Geek, yeah.
Yeah, for true.
For sure.
Yeah? Okay, so like how you're leaving now, you can come tomorrow and for the rest of the week, okay?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So if anything emergency, I'll give you a call, okay?
I respect Mr. Dice.
Yeah, man. Bless up and
Blessed.
have a good night.
Yeah, man. You too, sir.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Blessed. Yes, yes. You're not gonna hear it. I'm here, wait, man. Nobody lick me.
You feel me around today? Watch out.
Hey, me.
I'm not playing with you.
I'm not playing either.
Kim, me not play.
Stop tormenting things, man. How much money I make out of it?
If you say, no question me about my paycheck. If you say, this is funny, this is not funny. Don't touch me.
Stop going, sir. Right now, I realize, you know, Mr. Me not see her give you beijing in the eye.
Who that?
Who that? Come on, from my yard.
Don't touch me, come on, want the people and see me.
Bite there.
Ah, don't lick me.
So you're going, man.
Yes, boy, you did live around, and my friend, yeah, my name. Sympathy, I look at you want to come in your house.
Are you a call long name mosquito for me?
Me?
Keep talking.
Go on, left me, may you come and work.
Come on.
Let me see if me no kill that boy, you got to come.
How you gonna kill him? How you gonna kill him?
You're good man,
You
just
love
go on
me.
your ways. Make sure you have fear too.
You must say you love me.
Make sure love can't always erase.
I'm lift you up and carry down.
No, no good.
Taxi right now.
Go on, lift me, go on.
Come down, come on, man. You have to get on taxi.
Me have my own a drive.
That joke, yeah. See you later, alligator.
Bombers. Where you find me?
How me find you? You must find out and figure out how you gonna find bossy money.
No worry yourself, man. Me I start you up, man. No worry yourself. I fly down to start out, you know. Me have some money, but me not ball life. I deal with it, man.
You can fly down to start out. Hurry up and start it out quick enough, you know. Yeah, me I tell you.
Bombers, your family, you know, man. Where you move, so?
Family? We are talking about family. Can you mix family and business together? Try remember that. Make sure you start with bossy money.
Bombers, know yourself, man. Me I start you out. I have a piece of food today. I deal with it, man. I make you get everything, but I have a little piece of food and I make you get it. Yeah?
Piece of food. I don't know what I'm going right now. It's like you see him problem him get himself, you know. You know see that? Come and tell me about family. You know, so we play with bossy money. When the worst mistake you could ever make in your whole entire life.
It's me cooking. It's me. It's locking the door. Don't worry yourself.
Man, you're still big and clumsy.
In school, no bombers, man. How you move so much?
You just giving that. I don't need that. I don't take pussy in bag. Don't tell me that you're going, but don't tell me that, man. This way you give me a son now. This is give half a hit. As me even reach quarter. Not even a pint in a day. You get me? And you see this? For me.
Mama, so you move some man. Boss money man try to make up for you get you.
Hey, listen to me man. About bossy money. About bossy money. And when the amount of money me have to spend, just to try find your location. Eh? So give me this to man.
No like your style no man.
What? Remember you don't like my style.
Mama, just easy no man. Sure. No, you know the people who are born here, Mama.
See if I never for you move down for the end of this right now, you know. You cannot matter of fact. I want to the business in your yard.
Which business you are talking about?
Yo, yes man, don't go on like say. Don't go on like say you want to use brain for me now. Because me everything want to go on now.
Whatever man. After my son business. After my son, I can't.
What do you mean by your son business? Say any business you have, if you boss it till you don't pay him off.
No man. That's cool man.
You wanna tell me nothing?
I get myself in a man. But man, I start out tomorrow man. Don't worry yourself man. I start out tomorrow.
You can man. If you're gonna start out bossy money by such and such, and also you have a big
Problem.
believe me tell you. Here.
Mamas, I deal with the thing man. Know where yourself. They want to be right place at the right time to deal with this. My son, they don't know what to know what going on. Just give me the number man, we call it when we sort it out so you can get it. Just give me a chance man.
Yo. Don't worry about my digits. When I'm ready, you know where to find you. Just start out the rest of cash, make bossy can get it. You see me? Alright.
I deal with the man, where yourself man. Oh the man, oh the security what you mean? Oh the... I have to go call on there. Oh, security left me. I don't expect but once they find me, I say, I'm get myself in a man. Big problem. I'm get myself in a man. You know, so this is a big problem.